Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to our American English pronunciation series. Okay, the j sound. You'll hear the j sound in words like job, giant, judge, and jewel. To make the j sound, your lip should be slightly rounded, j, and they open during the sound. Your jaw starts mid open and relaxed, and it drops. And your tongue touches behind your top teeth and quickly drops away. So, jaw, jaw, jaw. It's a sharp, quick sound. You can think of it like combining a D with the J sound. Let's practice together. Jaw, jaw, jaw. The j sound can actually be spelled a couple of different ways. It's spelled with J like job. It's also common in words with G like giant. And it can be spelled with DGE also, like judge. You'll also see it in words like jewel. Let's practice these words together. Repeat after me: job, giant, judge, jewel. All right, great job. Now for some minimal pairs. Listen carefully and repeat after me: jam, yam. Did you notice that with jam, your tongue touches the top of your mouth, but with yam, it does not? Let's try the rest of them. Jail, yale, joke, yoke, jewel, yule, jot, yacht. All right, great job. The j is a sharper sound, and it has a duh at the beginning, while the y sound is softer and more of a glide. Let's try some tongue twisters too. Listen and repeat these sentences after me. Jack juggled jelly beans in June. Jenny's giraffe jumped joyfully. Jolly Jerry jogged gently through the jungle. Jumping jaguars juggled jars of juice. Jim's gym generated genuine joy. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps your pronunciation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great English videos, and we'll see you next time.